हेलो गाइस, अभी तक हम लोग ए टू ओ लेटर में कवर कर चुके हैं 1106 वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस। इस वीडियो में देखेंगे पी लेटर के वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। पेसिफिज्म, शांतिवाद। बिलीव दैट वार एंड वायलेंस आर अनजस्टिफाइड। पेसिफिस्ट, शांतिवादी, अ पर्सन हु अपोजेस वार और यूज ऑफ मिलिट्री फोर्स। पैक, भेड़ियों का झुंड, ग्रुप ऑफ वुल्फ्स। पैक, ताश की गड्डी, अ सेट ऑफ 52 प्लेइंग कार्ड्स। Pediatrician, doctor who treats children diseases. Palindrome, a word that reads the same backward as forward, like dalda. Palliation, make something less severe, कम गंभीर बनाना. Palpable, स्पर्शनीय, things that can be felt or touched. Panacea, रामबाण, इलाज, solution for all difficulties or diseases. Pandemic, महामारी. Pandemonium, कोलाहल, wild and noisy disorder. पैंडर, नीच कार्य में सहायता देने वाला, ग्रेटिफाई एन इमोरल और डिस्टेस्टफुल डिजायर। पैनिक, आतंक, भगदड़, सडन अनकंट्रोलेबल फियर और एंजाइटी ऑफन काउजिंग वाइल्डली अनथिंकिंग बिहेवियर। पैनोरमा, चित्रमाला, वाइड अनइंटरप्टेड व्यू। पैंट, हाँपना, ब्रेथ हार्ड एंड विद डिफिकल्टी। पैंथिज्म, द बिलीव दैट गॉड इज इन एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडिंग नेचर। पैंथियोन, टेम्पल डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल द गॉड्स। पैंट्री, रसोई भंडार, स्मॉल रूम इन बिग हाउस, होटल, सिप एक्सेट्रा। वेयर ग्लासेस, डिशेस, स्पून्स, फूड एक्सेट्रा आर कीप्ड। पैरेबल, नीति कथा, स्टोरी टोल्ड टू इलस्ट्रेट अ मोरल और स्पिरिचुअल ट्रूथ। पैरासाइट, परजीवी, वन हु लीव्स सर्वाइव्स ऑन अदर्स लाइव्स। पैरबॉयल, अधूरा पकाना, मेथड ऑफ बॉइलिंग ब्रीफली टू कुक फूड स्लाइटली। Parochial, सीमित, having limited or narrow outlook or scope. Parole, permission that is given to a prisoner to leave prison before the end of his sentence on condition that he behaves well. Parricide, crime of killing your father, mother or close relative. Parvenu, नई दौलत, one who has suddenly gained new wealth, power or prestige. Patent, sole right to make and sell some invention. Pathology, scientific study of diseases. Patriarchy, a system of society or government in which men hold the power and women are largely excluded from it. Patricide, murdering his own father. Patrilineal, relationship between father and child that continues in a family with each generation. Patrimony, property that is given to somebody when his father dies. Patriot, देशभक्त. Patrol, to go around an area to keep a watch. Pauper, one who has no money. कंगाल, pecuniary, धन संबंधी, concerning or consisting of money. Pedagogy, शिक्षा शास्त्र, method and practice of teaching. Pedant, रूढ़िवादी, person who insists on adherence to formal rules or literary meaning. Pedantic, रूढ़िवादी, style in which a writer makes display of his knowledge. पेडिस्ट्रियन, पैदल यात्री. पेडियाट्रिक्स, ब्रांच ऑफ मेडिसिन कंसर्न विद चिल्ड्रन एंड देयर इलनेस. पेनाल्टी, जुर्माना. पेंचेंट, अ स्पेशल फॉन्डनेस और लाइकिंग फॉर, विशेष रुचि. पेंडेंट, लटकन, स्मॉल ऑर्नामेंट विच हैंग डाउन स्पेशली फ्रॉम अ नेकलेस. पेनिनसुला, अ लार्ज मास ऑफ लैंड प्रोजेक्टिंग इनटू अ बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. पेंसिव, डीप इन थॉट. पेरिनियल, something that happens often or that lasts for a long time. Perpetual, लगातार. Prerequisite, रियायत. An incidental benefit awarded for certain types of employment. Persecute, अत्याचार करना. Subject someone to hostility and ill treatment especially because of their race or political or religious beliefs. Perseverance, दृढ़ता, constant effort to achieve something. Personal, person employed in armed forces. Persual, the action of examining with care or reading carefully. Pessimist, निराशावादी, a person who always expect bad things to happen or something not to be successful. Pesticide, कीटनाशक. Pestiferous, विनाशक, morally dangerous. Pestle, musl, stick with a thick end used in mortar for ponding. Peter, धीरे धीरे समाप्त हो जाना. Pew, गिरजाघर का bench, a long wooden seat with a back for people to sit on in a church. Philanderer, इशकबाज, a person who always runs after women. Philanthropist, one who loves all mankind, someone who freely give money and help people who need it. philanthropy, मानव प्रेम, the love of man or mankind. Philatelist, डाक के टिकट का संग्रहालय, a person who collects or studies stamps. Philately, collection and study of postage stamps. Philistine, one who does not care for literature or art. Philology, the study of languages. Philosopher, one who loves wisdom and hence pursues it. दार्शनिक. Phobia, भय. Intense and unreasoned fear or dislike. Phonetics, study and classification of sounds. Physician, doctor who is a specialist in general medicine and not surgery. Physiology, study of human body. Physiotherapy, treatment by means of exercise and massage. Pile, ढेर, large number of things placed on one on top of another. Pilferage, छोटी चोरी, act of stealing something in small. Pillion, पीछे की सीट, a seat for a passenger on bicycle or motorbike. Pioneer, one who does something for the first time. Pirate, समुद्री डाकू. Piscivorous, one who leaps on fish. Placate, शांत करना. Placid, शांत, not easily excited or upset. Plagiarize, साहित्यिक चोरी. Take and use the thoughts, inventions, etc. of another person as one's own. Plagiarism, साहित्यिक चोरी. Stealing of ideas or writings of someone else. Plagiarist, साहित्यिक चोर, one who copies from other writers. Plaintiff, अर्जीदार, one who files a suit. प्लेग, प्लेट को दीवार में सजाना. फ्लैट, मेटल और पोर्सलीन प्लेट्स फिक्स्ड ऑन अ वॉल एज एन ऑर्नामेंट और मेमोरियल. प्लॉजिबल, सीमिंग रीजनेबल. प्लेबिसाइट, डिसीजन मेड बाय पब्लिक वोटिंग. प्लेज, प्रतिज्ञा करना. सोलम प्रॉमिस और अंडरटेकिंग. प्लेंटीट्यूड, प्रचुरता, स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग फुल और कंप्लीट. प्लीएबल, लचीलता. प्लम्बर, वन हु रिपेयर्स लीकिंग वाटर पाइप्स. प्लूटोक्रेसी, government by richest people of country. Podium, मंच, speaker's platform. Poignant, marmic, evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. Polemical, something that is pertaining to controversy. Politics, the science or art of political government. Polyandry, custom of having more than one husband at the same time. Polygamist, person having more than one wife at the same time. Polygamy, custom of having more than one husband or wife at the same time. Polyglot, person who knows and is able to use several languages. Polygon, flat shape with at least 3 straight sides and 3 angles, usually 5 or more. Polytheist, one who believes in plurality of gods, जो बिलीव करता है कि एक से अधिक भगवान है. Populous, full of people. Port, बंदरगाह, place where ships load and unload goods. Portable, something that can be carried easily. Portfolio, collection of drawings, documents, etc. that represent a person's, especially an artist's work. Posthumous, occurring or coming into existence after a person's death. Posthumous child, a child born after the death of his father. Postmortem, medical examination of dead body. Postpone, delay an event to a later date or time. स्थगित करना. Postscript, note appended to a letter after the signature. Potable, safe to drink water. Potion, a liquid with healing, magical or poisonous properties. Potpourri, a mixture of dried flowers and leaves used for making a room smell. Pragmatist, one who values practicality. Precedent, misal, a previous case that might serve as an example or guide in subsequent situations. Precipice, खड़ी चढ़ान, a very steep or overhanging rock face or cliff on a mountain. Predator, परजीवी, animal that lives by killing and eating other animals. Predecessor, पूर्वज, something that precedes and indicates the approach of something, someone. Predicting, पूर्वानुमान करना. Preface, प्रस्तावना, an introduction to a book, especially one that explains the author's aims. Prejudiced, पक्षपातपूर्ण. Prelude, प्रस्तावना, an action or event that happens before another important one and forms an introduction to it. Premiere, प्रथम प्रदर्शन, first public performance of a musical or theatrical work or the first showing of a film. Premonition, पूर्वाभास, strong feeling that something is about to happen, especially something unpleasant. प्रिपेयर तैयार करना, प्रिटेंडेड अटैक छल, भुलावा फेंट, प्रीवैरिसेट छल कपट करना, प्राइड शेरों का समूह, ग्रुप ऑफ लायंस, प्रिविलेज, प्रोबेशनर काम सीखने के लिए नियुक्त, पर्सन वर्किंग ऑन ट्रायल पीरियड, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट टालना, पुट ऑफ फॉर अ फ्यूचर टाइम, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन टाल मटोल, आर्ट ऑफ डिलेइंग, प्रोडिजी अ पर्सन स्पेशली अ यंग वन विथ एक्सेप्शनल एबिलिटीज, proficiency high degree of skill, profile general view of a person's character, profligate recklessly extravagant or wasteful in the use of resources, proletariat working class people regarded collectively, श्रमिक वर्ग, proliferation rapid increase in the number or amount of something, प्रसार फैलाव, prologue an introduction to a literary work, prolonged continuing for a long time, prop a piece of wood, motile a second used for supporting something or keeping it in position, prophet a person sent by God to teach the people and give them message from God, propulsion the action of driving or pushing forwards, proselyte a person who has been converted to another religion or political belief, protagonist central character in a story or play, protocol system of fixed rules and formal behavior used at official meeting, prototype namuna first design of something from which other forms are copied or developed, provenderer chara food for farm animals, provincialism concern for one's own area or region at the expense of nation or supranational unity, prowler a person who moves stealthily about or loiters near a place with a view to committing a crime, शिकार की खोज में घूमने वाला, pacifologist one who studies election trends by means of election polls, paciphology study of how people vote in elections, pseudonym fictitious name especially one assumed by an author, psychologist scientist trained in psychology, psychology scientific study of mind and how it influences behavior, punctilious careful in performing duties, puncher person who gambles, places a bet or makes a risky investment, जुआरी, pursue to run after पीछे लगे रहना, petrify सड़ना, decay of organic matter producing a fetid smell, pyromania आग लगाने के पागलपन, an obsessive desire to set fire to things. Thanks for watching.